Have you heard of the latest trend to earn money online by simply typing in names? Unbelievable, right? But believe it or not, we have found a way to help you earn money by simply typing in names. What have you got to lose anyway? Literally nothing. You can do this anytime and anywhere. All you've got to do is type one name. For example, you type Anna and boom, you earn money instantly and effortlessly. You can earn up to $1 per name. And let's just say you type in one whole page worth of names, you can instantly get $15 for about just 5 minutes of your time. Imagine completing 20 to 30 pages a day. You will rake in a whooping $300 to $450, which, by the way, is way more than what an average American makes in one day for 10 times more the effort and work, and at the cost of one's physical and mental health. In these trying times, it is important to work smart and find alternative ways to work with the most possible benefits. The best thing about this is that there is no limit whatsoever as to how much you can earn in a day. The sky's the limit. The more names you type in, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. And it is all up to you. You get to be your own boss. Isn't that amazing? $1,000 per day in earnings is very much achievable. All you're going to need is your mobile phone or your computer. It could not get any better than this, right? Well, you're in for a huge surprise as this golden opportunity is 100% free and is even available worldwide. I meant it when I said you can literally work anytime and anywhere at your own convenience. What else are you waiting for? This is meant for you. So sit back, relax, and stay hooked on this video until the end as we guide you on the whole sign-up process, as it may seem tricky to do alone, and as to avoid any mistakes from happening. Making the sign-up process a breeze for you guys. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip any part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Any further, we just want to thank you all so much for 20,000 subscribers. This is so awesome. Now please subscribe if you haven't yet and give this video a thumbs up as well. We appreciate you guys and we do all of this for you. We cannot wait to share more money making tricks with all of you. Now let's seriously begin. Now remember that this method is completely free and it's supposed to be available worldwide. But if there are some complications with where you're from, then let us know in the comments down below and tell us where you're from too. We want everyone to comment on what country you're from so that we can make more videos based on your guys' countries. Now today's website is literally going to pay you $15 per page with a word count of 300 words. And those words are just 300 names. Just by typing that, you can earn $15 per page. Now this is an example. Page 1, 300 words, 300 names, $15 payout. Page 2 and page 3. So all in all, I should be able to earn $45 and all just from typing down 300 names. And that's not even a whole day's work. Now we want you to go on talentdesire.com. And as you can see, your dream career starts now. Work with popular brands and earn money online from home without invest any dime. So, how does this website work? You explore jobs, get hired, start work, and collect earnings. So it's pretty simple. If you scroll lower, you will see all of the jobs that they offer. They offer online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, online paid surveys, and many, many more. Now, what we want you to keep in mind here is that this website is completely free. So go on ahead to current openings at the top. And as you can see, here are some of their openings. But of course, we will be focusing on online typing jobs, okay? This is one of the easiest jobs to apply to and do on this website, and it won't require any skills or experience. So this is the perfect one to choose if you are in that area, okay? Now look at this. You can earn up to $30,500 to $27,000 or more per year. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. Now, right over here, you can see that depending on what level you are, you will see the rates per word and then how much you can earn total if you do a 300-word job. Now, in a few moments, we are going to be sharing another bonus trick that's going to make you earn a higher rate. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now, in order to get a higher rate, we want you to go on ratatype.com. And on this website is where you can take a free typing test. So we want you to go ahead and click on this yellow button right here, and then you should find yourself over here. Now, you can actually start taking the typing test using either your phone or your computer, which just makes everything so much better and so much more easier for those people who have no access to computers. And the reason why we want you to take this typing test is because this website will actually hand you or give you a certificate that's going to boost your credibility as well as your income. And you're going to get that certificate for absolutely free. And how you can actually get that certificate is by taking this typing test, and then this website is going to grade your speed and accuracy, and you need at least 98% to 99.9%, because of course, the higher your accuracy, the more money you will be paid. So make sure to take the typing test again and again if you have to until you're at a 98% accuracy at least, so that you get a higher pay. And once you've gotten to the accuracy rate that you desire, you can go on ahead and sign up for a free account by clicking on this button right here and then filling up all the sign up details being asked like so, and then just sign up. Now, once you've signed up, you'll find yourself in your own personal account now, and on my dashboard, you'll see my name and accuracy rate and speed and everything. And when you scroll down on the right-hand corner, you'll see your certificate. So just click on your certificate and it should maximize your certificate, right? It has your name on it, your typing speed, and your accuracy percentage. So just click on print, but there will be no printing happening. You just need to be able to save a copy of your certificate, and that's basically it. Once you have your certificate, you can go back on Talent Desire and then scroll to the very bottom of the web page that you're on, and then click on Apply Now. And then you will be brought to this page where you can start applying for this job position. But now you need to pay more attention because the registration page is very hidden on this website. It's very tricky and you might get lost if you don't finish this whole video. So please just stay and finish the entire thing. Now scroll down below and you'll see that step number 1 is to select an application form. So click on that, and then you're going to see an online application form for those who want to work at home. So click on that, and you might have to click on that twice, okay? And once you've clicked on that, you should find yourself here. So click on this to fill in all of your details, and then you will see all of this to really fill in all of your personal information in order to apply. Okay, so just fill this up like you normally would. And of course, your preferred job title would be online typing job. So just input that in and then complete the rest. And for the best time for you, you can put what's obviously the best time for you. But we highly suggest that you select all day because that guarantees you more opportunities. And that's really what we are trying to look for. Okay, you can choose the best way to receive your earnings. And as you can see, they have a few. So choose what's most convenient for you. And while you're at it, we want you to comment down below what your preferred payment method is so that we can make more future videos surrounding that concept. So keep going until no box is left blank, and then when you're ready, click on submit, and that is it. Once you're accepted, you'll get those typing name jobs and earn your $15 per page or even more on the daily. That's really basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through a different method. Once again, thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.